Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bill from Competition Cars in Myrtle Beach. I'm doing a really quick little introduction video on this 1967 Jaguar XKE Series 1. This is a legitimate I believe it's 42,000 mile car that's been completely restored to a very high standard. Now we're gonna go back over this car, a full walk around, exterior, and interior, engine bay and whatnot. But this quick video is just to introduce you to the car, that I do have this car. It's submitted to bring a trailer, should be live in a matter of days. And what's really amazing is you can track the history of this car through all these service records. There's $129,000 of receipts here for parts, repairs, you name it. Now, there's really no good way of displaying all this, but I can tell you we went through everything. There's some receipts as old as '89, and some as new as 2004, I believe. Don't hold me to that. There's one big one here for like 61,000. Now those important ones, I'm gonna photograph those, and they'll be in the photo gallery on Bring a Trailer. Obviously, the car has two tops. It's a very stunning car, done to a very high standard. Beautiful color combination. I like the way the top is a different color. It's got the burgundy red interior. Just an eyeful. There's very little to pick on this car. As I said, it was done to an extremely high standard. But this is just to introduce the car and kind of show you what we got and let you know what's coming. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for more. And then we have another one here, 71, that we're gonna be doing some service work to before it's ready to roll, but that's in the works as well. Thanks for looking, guys. Have a great day. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Take care.